Hey y'all, welcome to the first episode, I think. Sorry, tickle in my throat. Of Halloween crafting. I'm gonna do a lot of different Halloween crafts, some for junk journals, some for other projects throughout this month. Today I'm going to attempt, I've never done it, but to make a little banner for a journal album I'm making for my daughter. So I cut this at 2 inches and then I scored it at 1. And now I'm just folding it. So I've never done this before, but we're just going to try and see how it works. So we're going to, and already I messed up. Good thing there's more paper. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. And so here's what I messed up on. So I started cutting it to where this was the big part of the triangle instead of this part being the small part. Just because we're going to put some twine in here to make the banner look like a banner. And you can totally use this technique for anything. Let's get that a little bit. There we go. So I'm gonna do this as an example for the others and just snip. That way they are all the same size. I probably should have done this different. Okay. Not sure how many of these I'm going to make. We'll see. So what I'm going to do is just cut straight down. That way I'm not wasting paper. And I just have these little bits. So that's 3. So I hope you guys are excited and ready for wrong way. Thanks Halloween. Husband's not that big into it, but my daughter and I are. My daughter's obsessed with Halloween. And in fact, some of these, this is going to go, I'm going to make her a mini, it's going to be really small. It's going to be like, I don't even know what size, but a tiny Halloween book. Because she goes to school every day dressed up something different. I think I've told you guys about that. And I want to get a picture of her and do a little, I think she'd get a kick out of a little photo album for this year with it. So, let's see. We have 5. Let's do that. I am going to put you guys on hold and go get my twine because I was going to use this, but I think this is just going to be too bulky with as little as these suckers are. So I want something smaller. So I will be right back. Found some. I think this will work really good. So I think what I might do is put this on one of her pages or on her thing. So I'm going to just fold this because this is what her book cover is going to be. So we'll see how it goes. So you want a little tail. And then let's see. Trying to see how much I can get away with. Like how many of these we can do. But you can totally make these bigger, smaller. I think we can get away with 4. Okay. So hopefully this glue worked. It's brand new. I'm excited to try it. I always have to try new things. New glues, new whatever. This is berry art. I've never even heard of it, never tried it, but sounds cool. So here we go. And then I'm just going to put a little dot at the end. I have no idea if this dries fast or not. I know art glitter glue dries really fast. Not sure about this. It's holding nice. Okay, so I'm not sure how I'm going to decorate these yet. I have a bunch of stamps and some stickers, and I don't know if I want to put words on it or what. We'll see. These actually are pretty cute and seems to be making pretty fast, which I love fast projects. If it's fast, easy, and turns out cute, I'm all for it. And so far, I am loving this. So I'm trying to have just a tad show in between. That way I can fit more, but also it gives it still the, you know, this is, I have a little bit of a tail. I should have pulled out more, but oh well. But you can totally make these bigger or smaller, and I think I might wind up making some big to do banner in my house. If that sounds interesting, let me know. So, alright, last one. And then we're gonna cut this little bit off. And there's our little banner. So when you glue it, you can do it up a little, help banners, whatever. Look how cute that will be on there. Hoo-hoo. I don't know what I'm going to put on there though. Let's see. I have a bunch of stamps, and unfortunately I cannot tell you who they're from because my daughter borrowed them and took all the package off. And then my mom, being the junk journal she loves doing, she used them. Which is totally fine, but no, I can't tell you what it is, so sorry. I wonder if that hat will kind of fits. These might be too small for some sticker for these. About little spider. Yeah. We might have to, I mean, they can hang off. That would be cute, but... So I have a lot of little tiny ones, and I think it's this one that had... I love this paper. I have yep, here we go. Some of these would be really cute in there, on there, I think. I have tons and tons of Halloween paper. I like that. Let's do that one. I haven't bought any paper from any of the digital paper for this. Is all just random scrapbook paper I'm using. I've had for years, so I don't even know if they're still for sale or where I got them. There we go. I think most of these are up. You know, the others are a tad too big. That bat might not be. You know what? I think I might stamp that witch's hat. And you know, and maybe use some cobwebs. I wonder if that happy would fit. If I put happy and Halloween barely fits. Or happy haunting. Oh, there we go. We'll put happy haunting on that, and then I think we will... Let's see if I can do that. Oh, this is all one. Ooh, that will be fun. How will I... Actually, I have a little archival ink somewhere. Here we go. And let's see if I can get just this little word. Woohoo! Sorry for, woo, that is like massive camera shaking for getting off so fast. That was my son's school that called, and I was expecting it from my daughter's school, not my son's school, but somebody in their neighborhood or housing or cohort got a test positive, so now he is home for 2 weeks doing school, which he's not going to be happy because that means he's home from dance. Poor kid. Okay, so I got the happy on here. Hopefully I can figure out how to get haunting without it being on the others. Let's see if I can do this. I'll take it. It's a little weird, but I'll take it. That's awesome. And I think a spider web or a hat. Actually, that would be a good way. I wonder if I use the spider web, if... Wow, these are like stuck. Ooh. Oh my, I hate when they get so stuck. So I think I'm going to, look how cool that is. Here we go. There we go. I love that. Now I think I want to find another so that I wonder how that bat would look. So there we go. You know, they've been going to school for a month and has been pretty good. And I always say it's that balance between emotional well-being, because emotionally these kids need to be in school for their emotional sanity. And so it depends on the two. How emotionally they need to, and their health and safety. Which means we will not be seeing my mother. After we'll get him tested, and then. All right, there we go. And now I just lost my bat. Well, that's a little frustrating. Where did my bat go? Oh, it's on there. Do any of you guys have that brain freeze? Oh my gosh. You can tell my brain is not on this at the moment. Oh. So, there we go. Oh, that turned out so cute. I don't know if it'll focus on that. Let's see. Yeah. Hopefully that's sharp for you guys. That would be really cute. What a fun title for her book. Oh, I'm so excited. So, I'm still going to do 3 days. I might do a couple extras here and there. I don't know. It really depends. So I hope you enjoyed this and had some inspiration to make your own cute banner for a first time trying that. It turned out really cute, I think. Please like, subscribe, share. I hope y'all have a wonderful crafty day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!